Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to share with you people 4 stocks which have high potential chart patterns in it. 2 stocks have head and shoulder pattern, one stock has symmetrical triangle chart pattern, and the last stock has upward channel which is currently given breakout. So to know which are those stocks, make sure you are watching this video till the end. The first stock which has inverted head and shoulder chart pattern is Marico Limited. Marico Limited, this is daily time frame chart. So this was the current support level, right? Previously it was acting as a resistance at this level. Though it has given breakout, it is taking support at this level, right? So currently what happened is, so after the breakout, the buyers couldn't take the price on the higher side. So currently it has given a good chart pattern in it. The chart pattern is, as I mentioned, it is an head and shoulder chart pattern. See, this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder, right? So currently there is no breakout below the neckline. So do add this stock in your trading chart. So this is the chart pattern. So if you check the price action in 1 hour time frame, you can understand very clearly. So this is the 1 hour time frame chart. So let me delete and redraw it. So as you see, after the breakout, the price took the support, but buyers couldn't take the price on the higher side. So they made a bullish momentum till this point, again a fall till the support level. So currently it is creating an head and shoulder kind of pattern, right? So the conditions to apply in this chart is, in this stock is, so we are supposed to wait for the breakdown of this support level. So once after the breakdown, this support will turn to the resistance, right? So after the breakdown, do wait for the pullback, and with the good candlestick confirmation, we can trade this on the sell side. So once after the breakdown, once after the price breaks this support level, so this support will turn to the resistance and head and shoulder chart pattern will get activated, right? So though we don't have the confirmation yet, so the price can either give the breakdown below this, or it can take a support again and it can move in the upward direction. So do mark this chart pattern even in your trading chart too. So in case of breakdown below, we can expect a big fall in this chart. The next stock is Adani Ports. See, Adani Ports, we have a clear head and shoulder pattern, right? So currently it is moving in this head and shoulder chart pattern. So in case of breakdown below this swing point, which comes around 735, in case of breakdown below this swing point, do wait for the pullback, and we can expect a fall till 690. Why 690? I am expecting because as you see, previously the stock was playing in this symmetrical triangle, right? So it has given the breakout above this, it has not retested this symmetrical triangle. So in case of breakdown below this head and shoulder pattern, we can expect a target till 690. Currently it has not given breakout. Let's wait for a couple of days, 1 or 2 days. In case if it gives breakdown, do wait for the pullback, and with the good candlestick confirmation, we can trade this on the sell side. Okay, before getting into the next stock. A quick introduction about my channel. The channel name is Trader Naveen. So in this channel I will be uploading regular videos on intraday calls and some educational videos on technical analysis. So if you are new to the stock market and if you want to learn what stock market is, make sure you are subscribing this channel. So recently I have uploaded two videos, introduction to candlesticks and where stocks to trade on tomorrow's trading session, that is on 27th September Monday. So if you are not yet watched this video, let me highlight the video. So these are the videos. So if you are not yet watched these videos, make sure you are watching this. Okay, the next stock is Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel, if you see the price action in 1 hour time frame, the price was moving within this channel, right, upward channel. Currently it has given breakout above this, retested the same level, again it is continuing its upward direction, right. So in tomorrow's trading session you might find a best buy entry in this stock. So though it has given breakout above this upward channel, so you can expect a bullish momentum. 745 is the entry level, 735 will be the stop loss, and we can expect a first target of 750, around 750. So simple logic, the price was moving within this upward channel, it has given breakout, retested at the same level, it has to move in the upward direction. Okay, the next stock is Vedanta. If you check the price action in daily time frame, see, this is the support level, right. So this is the support level, this is the resistance level. Currently the price is moving in this symmetrical triangle. So if we find any bullish candlesticks at this level, we can initiate a buy trade for swing trade, for intraday trade as well as for the swing trade. So if we get any bullish candles at this level, we can trade on the buy side. Our stop loss will be below this support level and we can expect a big target in upcoming days. So this swing points will act as a targets. Okay, so those are the 4 stocks which have high potential trades, high potential chart patterns. Hope you guys like the analysis behind those stocks. So for daily videos like this, make sure you are subscribing my channel, Trader Naveen.